Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy RonTrades, and we're back here with another trade breakdown video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over my EU long here that got me to pass my phase 2. 5% was booked here. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Just want to start this video by saying I am grateful and thankful. I'm very, very grateful that God gave me this opportunity to, just learn about trading, man, and really change my life. I'm really proud of my growth and my journey and how far I have came. And the scary part about this, guys, is literally I just got started. So I can only imagine where God will have me in the next couple years, man. So just want to say that I want to get this video started with transparency and being grateful, man. So let's go ahead and get right into the trade breakdown. Real simple here today, guys. I was in this short right here at 945. I did get hit at break even here as price rebalanced back up at 1006. So at the price rebalance here at 1006, I said to myself, okay, if we rebalance all the way back up here and we had this London high resting here, we had buy side liquidity resting where? Here. We rebalanced all the way back up here, so we disrespected this sell model here. We disrespected it. I got hit at break even, so I accepted that. So after that, guys, I stayed on the 3-minute time frame and I waited for a MS shift. We had a market structure shift here. So I used this as my MS shift here after we took out this short-term high here. So right here, we took this out. Let me just draw a rectangle box here. So the moment we took this out here, I used this as my MS shift. We rebalanced here at 10:15, and then we moved away. So as we started moving away, I did take a very aggressive entry. My real entry should have been here, but I wanted to wait for a better confirmation because I just got hit at break even. So I wanted to make sure that I was actually on the right side. So as price started to move away here at 1018, I took this fair value gap entry here. So as price came back down inside this fair value gap and started rebalancing this candle here, I took my loans here and my stop loss went below here. Why was my stop right here? Okay, well, we had a MS shift. We already rebalanced here at 10:15. So why do we need to continue to keep rebalancing? So that's always how I use, that's always the model I use to, put my stop loss at. I always put my SL under places that does not need to be rebalanced anymore. So if we would have came and took this out, then I would have probably just sat out the rest of this session because I would have been forcing the sales. So with that being said, like I say, at 10:18 here, guys, we had a displacement here candle. Nice displacement candle here. After we rebalance here, I went ahead and took entries here. And I put my stop loss right below here. So I had about a 9.6 SL. And then we ran up aggressively for what? Buy side here and London high here. Aggressive run. It wasn't I didn't really go on any type of drawdown on this setup. It was a really aggressive run here. So very simple setup. Once again, I did get hit at break even. I was expecting price to continue to keep going down for sales, but this is the reason why I don't, put too much emphasis on having a bias. So if my bias is not right, I can accept that and be humble enough to wait for the market to show me where it's going. This is a prime example of what I did today. So once again, guys, quick summary. The bigger picture, we ran sell side. We had an MS shift. We rebalanced here at 10:15. Moved away with a displacement candle. I take my entry here out this fair value gap. Aggressive run on buy side. So yeah, guys, that trade right there got me to pass my phase 2. Let's go ahead and go to the chart. To the credentials. As you can see right here, phase 2, 200K Warrior Challenge. I needed $10,000, 5%. That's booked. 5% net profit, booked. I haven't completely passed it all the way. I got to finish my trading days. I did pass this challenge in 1 day. This is my first day opening the trade, and we went straight up, hit profit target. I wasn't playing around, and I'm not here to play around, guys. I'm coming to get all that's mine. So yeah, very, very proud of myself here. As you can see, I did take two positions here. What's the date? February 21st. February 21st. As I told you, I did get hit at break even on one of my setups here. That was the first setup I got hit break even at. I did take a small scaling entry on that sell too, and I took about a 0.5% loss. So I started off with a 0.5% loss, came back and booked 5%, and I knocked this phase 2 out. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for supporting. I'm very, very proud of myself. I'm very, very grateful. And I'm just getting started, man. I'm just getting started on this journey, and I'm really about to take this thing to a whole nother level. And I appreciate everyone that's following my journey. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. And as always, trade safely.